Hi guys, it's Nunu, and of course I'm here in English 103, our Canvas course. I'm going to click on modules. I'm going down to our essay assignment in week 11 of the traditional 16-week semester, which is of course week 3 for us. And we have our discussion essay, What is Critical Thinking? It's 1,000 words, 4 pages. I wanted to remind you that this assignment has 2 parts, an essay right here that you have to write, and of course, going down to the bottom of the screen, 2 peer evaluations that are worth 20 points. Each peer evaluation needs to be 125 words, a total of 250 words, and you can click here on this link for an example peer evaluation. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox, and I have updated office hours. I've changed my office hours to 12:45 to 2:15 p.m. for students' convenience. I am in general classroom building 210D Mondays and Wednesdays, and of course you know me. I'm Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu. All right, have a fun time working on this assignment. And please read all the directions very carefully in your definition of critical thinking, because the assignment requires you to think about different things going on in Nazi Europe, especially the 1933 Concordat and Edith Stein. All right, again, I'm in inbox and office hours. I'm here to help you if you need help with this assignment.